everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to connect Square to your WooCommerce store so you can accept payments and of course sync your products. So first thing you need to do here is to log into your WordPress dashboard. So you can go to your plugins and search for WooCommerce Square. And here is your WooCommerce. So you will be able to see this. So go to your WooCommerce settings and then the payments and of course find Square. And next thing you need to do here is to go to your WooCommerce settings. And of course guys, click the connect with Square button, log into your Square account, and of course allow WooCommerce to access your Square data. And once connected guys, you can choose how to sync products and inventory between WooCommerce and then the Square. And of course, set your payment location. So as you can see here, you just need to add this to your store or activate it. And of course, to enable Square as a payment method, you can click Save Changes to activate it on your checkout page. And that's it guys, you've connected Square to your WooCommerce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials.